everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1967 baby blue convertible Corvette. Very nice on the outside, very mean, especially with those torque thrust wheels on it. For our interior, as you can see, we also have a matching baby blue interior. One of the nice additions they had made to this vehicle was they added the Dakota digital gauges as well as a very nice wooden wheel. Other than that, she's a 5-speed manual, very mean to the bone with the small block Chevy underneath the hood. As for the inside, we also have our stock AM, FM, Velcro weight radio, which does work. Going into our brakes, downshifting, very good. In fact, I just realized the old-fashioned clock still works too, which is in the cluster. We're going to open her up a little bit so you can have a better sound of the vehicle. As you can see there, she's pretty stable, very ready to move. And that's what's nice about the Corvettes, they're very light. And as you also know, they have the very nice, mean hideaway headlights. Other than that, now we're going to get it turned around and up on the lift. Please stay tuned to see it underneath.